Natural Beautiful Curls here. How you guys doing? How's your day going? Mine is going great. So I'm here with the Curlbox August 2019 Curlbox. And I'm going to be unboxing the Curlbox and showing you all the new products that they have sent me. But first I want to say I did cancel my curl kit. I did like the curl kit. I did like the fact that they had different varieties of stuff. Different varieties of products and stuff. I did like that, but I was getting some of the same products, some of the same edge controls and different things like that. And I have a highly requested video that some of you all have emailed me and said, you know, give some reviews and different things on the different products that I received from the Curlbox and the Curl Kit. So I will be doing that. Some upcoming videos on the different products that I received. But yeah, I had to cancel that curl kit because I was just getting too much of the same stuff. I'm like, I can't keep getting this same stuff, you know. So sorry, curl kit. You guys, you know, don't send the same stuff. Don't send the same products. Send new products. Especially like month after month, I was getting like the same things. And yeah, so I just had to cancel it, guys. But I am still getting the Curlbox, and I like the fact that they do send out new products, the whole line. They send out the whole line of all the new products, so I like that. So Curlbox is a keeper for now. Alright, so let's get started, guys. So I have the Curlbox here. Curlbox. There we go, Curlbox. Okay, so here we go, guys. So you know they have the little pamphlet here, the Curlbox pamphlet, and it says, "I'm the magic. I'm the magic." Letter from the editor. They always have some kind of a letter from the editor, and different things like that. And it says the magic is in your life. And it always give little descriptions of the products that they have for the Curlbox, for the all the products that they sent in the Curlbox. All right, and then this is some more things here that they have, more of the descriptions of the products. They sent me a coupon, save $1 on any of the one products, and then you can get featured in the Instagram. Excuse me. Oh my god. Oh my god. Excuse me. I don't know what's going on, but ever since I came for work, I work at a hospital, so I've been like sneezing. And I know flu season is around the corner, and I'm like, oh my god, you know, I got time for that to get no flu. So anyway, here we go. We have the Cocoa Butter in Biotin Length Retention Cream Styler. Creamy formula for coil definition. Color safe. No sulfates, no parabens, no phthalates, no mineral oils, no gluten, no dyes, no silicone. And this is Palmer's Cocoa Butter formula. Palmer's, can you see, guys? And I like Palmer's Cocoa Butter. When I was pregnant, I would use that cocoa butter with the pregnant lady on there for stretch marks and stuff like that. It didn't work, but I still used it. But anyway, that's a different story. And then we have the Length Retention Leave-In Conditioner. It's a spray pump. Okay. Detangler, heat protector, and moisturizer. So this is the new from Palmer's Cocoa Butter formula. See, I like that we get the new products from all the name brands and stuff like that. And we have conditioner, instant moisture and softness with vitamin E and antioxidants. And also have the shampoo, gentle moisturizing cleanser. Oh, here they got recycle me, so they little recycle me sign. You guys see that? Okay, recycle me. They want you to recycle. For all you people that don't like to recycle, recycle. And then they have the cocoa butter. It's the cocoa butter biotin collection. It is the Shine Glaze Serum. Locks in moisture, add a shiny finish to dry hair. It's color safe too. Can you guys see that? It's color safe. Color safe. Silicone free. Alright. So this is a serum. Addresses breakage, damage, and split ends by keeping the hair and scalp moisturized, fortified, and healthy in order to achieve optimum growth potential. Cocoa butter has been softening properties for healthy hair, and its rich moisture shields hair from dryness over processing. This expert blend retains length for beautiful, long, shiny hair. So this is their length retention line, the cocoa butter and biotin. And let me know if you guys, have you guys used those, the biotin hair, nails, and skin? I've been using it. I've been taking like the little vitamin once a day because you know, you guys know that I colored my hair a while ago, and it kind of brought some little damage to it. So I didn't want to. I know some people say, you know, dye your hair black or this and that, you know, with a permanent dye and things like that. I just wanted to grow out, so that's what I've been doing, and my hair has really been growing. And I think it may be from the vitamin hair, skin, and nails. I don't know. So I've been using it, and my hair has really been growing. And like, again, it's like thicker. I've been wanting that thickness back because my hair was so thin, and it started getting brittle and limpy and things like that. So I said, let me try these vitamin pills or whatever, you know, to see if they worked with the biotin in it. So I wanted to see if it worked, and I think it's working, guys. Let me know if you ever tried it and how it worked for you. So yeah, so I'm glad to see how this can work. It says cocoa butter and biotin, so length retention. So I will try this product, and I will give you guys a review on it, because I know you guys been asking, like, come on, girl, don't just show us the products, tell us about the products once they in your hair. I want to see how it works. I know, I get it. So yeah, I am going to try it, and I'm going to let you guys know how it works, because I like I do like the length retention. I don't really care when my hair do all that shrinkage. I don't know, do you guys do? When my hair shrink, it shrinks. Like, it be like all the way up, like shrinkage, like up to here. Up to here. Up to here. So yeah. So yeah, I'm liking the biotin pills. And I think they're working. I think they are. I've been using them for about, I want to say like 2 months now. I think they're working. And I've been very consistent in using them. So, yeah. I can see a change in my hair, and I've been letting the color grow out and things like that. I got a lot of gray up in here. But I really did not want to color my hair, y'all. I just don't. I don't want to color it. I just want to kind of just let it grow out and see, you know, what it do. So yeah, so let me know if you guys tried this product. Have you tried it yet? If you liked it, if any Palmer's cocoa butter products, if you like them, let me know. Put it in the comment box. All right, guys. All right, well, give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe. Also, if you're new to my channel, welcome. And those of you that have been following me, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate you guys. And I hope you guys have an awesome week. The rest of the week is awesome. Claim it. Have a good week, okay? All right, and I will have that video up for you guys soon. I can't tell you when, but soon, on the review of the products that I've been receiving. All right? All right, talk to you later. Bye.